When I was just a tiny boy, I got a little unassuming novelty toy, a wind-up robot made out of gears and tin. And this here is the story of everywhere it's been. Wind up robot, wound up so tight. Wind up robot, going on day and night. I wound it up real good, thought it would cross the floor, but it did more than that, it done headed out the door. It couldn't go that far, I thought it'll wind down and stop. But that little metal robot marched on down the block and it was singing. Wind up robot, wound up so tight. Wind up robot, going on day and night. I chased it down the street, I wouldn't let it pass, but when I went to grab it, it went zooming fast. I fell to the ground with a big old crash and thud. It kept moving through the town and I was all covered in mud, and it was singing. Wind up robot, wound up so tight. Wind up robot, going on day and night. It was picking up speed like it had found another gear. People started running round, screaming, filled with fear. The police set up a barricade at the edge of town, but that tiny little robot simply knocked it down, and it was singing. Wind up robot, wound up so tight. Wind up robot, going on day and night. Some things are just unstoppable, no matter what their size. When you think you've seen it all, you might be in for a surprise. Word is that tiny robot still going strong today. Somewhere in the hills, way past town, you might hear it say.